So to change a light bulb, you simply can pull that out. Push the bulb in, twist. It's got these little legs. And Ethan was kind enough to send us new bulbs. This is what the new ones look like. So these bulbs are red, and they're LED and they're color colored red, and they're essentially the same thing. They got the little nubs on them. So these bulbs only go in one way. So you find where you just keep turning it till it actually goes in, and then give it a little spin, and that's it. And then cover goes back on. Now we're supposed to replace these covers with clear covers, but they ended up sending us the wrong covers and they don't fit. And that's all you do for a light bulb. This can be done live. Do not need to shut the power off. That's for a Eaton 2100 series Cutler Hammer MCC.